Welcome back to the channel, man. Thank you for sharing, like, and subscribing. I'm out here in Mexico, you know what I mean? I'm out here with Mexico. What's up, what? In Mexico, since I'm trying to see some races and shit. We'll see what's going on. I hear you. Man, ain't no tail lights. I tried making work today. It wasn't working. For some, I don't know what's going on. I might just have to rig it up for just all time or something. Just to have some brake lights or something. I can't drive around that shit. Oh yeah? What do you have? You got that this one right here? Did I run you before? No, I ran your homeboy though. I remember. Yeah. That shit was fun. We went way out there to the what's the name? Yeah, that shit was hot. That shit was nice. It was like there was a bunch of us out there. It was hot. What y'all about to do tonight? What's up?
You trying to race one?
I mean, in my truck. I
heard that's fast.
Yeah, it is.
You beat that little red truck or the one beside it?
Yeah, I dog off. Yeah. I had a build. You didn't see my video? You didn't see my video when I beat the build SS Trailblazer?
I did.
And as I'm saying, it's no justice. I'm gonna get you on takeoff. You just gotta catch me. You're not gonna catch me. I'm just being honest with you. I might be 10,000 pounds, but you're not gonna catch a diesel, bro. Not when I'm takeoff. Oh yes. Hey man, we out here, man. We live out here in Mexico, man. We trying to get set up. I got the juice on deck, man. Hey man, y'all need to get it. I need to get it right now. They want to run my truck. My truck got a leak in it, but I ain't gonna let them know that though. But I still run it. There's no excuses. They just want to run. They really want to run my El Camino, but I'm selling it. I really don't want to drive it as much. But yeah, they out here, man. Hold on, let me show y'all. I'm tripping. They out here. You got the trail y'all want to run me in?
They both scared.
I gotta, I might be 10,000 pounds, but I'm like 700 horses, bro. Like, torque is there. Hey, let me drift somebody's truck. What's up, man? You know I got hands. What's up, man? I got money if I break anything. What's up?
You do rolls or
no? No. Now we got gears ain't there, and it's a road truck. I put it out. The governor's still on there. I left the governor on, so I'm gonna blow it up.
Man, how they gonna get scared?
It's at 98. Cause they know who I am. I have a name, man.
You got scared of Bolo right here.
I have a name, man. I have a name, brother. That's okay. I like to have fun, man. Shit, it's all fun and joy. What's going on this weekend? What y'all gonna do for the 4th? Hey, this shit's stupid fast.
Henry?
This shit's pretty fast. But then I think it's his tune though. Oh, okay, there we go. I really think that's his tune though.
Let's do a dig then?
Do a dig, I ain't tripping. I'm not tripping. Where we at? What truck? Yeah, where your truck at? Right there, right? Yeah. Okay. I ain't tripping. You know me. I run what I run. I ain't. All right, tripping.
There's hella more people here, but everyone left.
Oh, I kind of already know. Y'all always up here hang out. I already know. That's what we should do. We should do every Tuesday hang out somewhere. You know what I mean? Yeah.
We did hella runs, no cops.
That would be nice. And like Buffalo Wild Wings somewhere we can eat, just chill, come back. You feel me? Like that'd be hot. No, thank you, Chris. Thank you, man. But they offer, see what I'm saying? Yeah, we out here, man. In Mexico. Mexico even have O'Reilly's and shit.
Fucking the dude was closed last week.
Oh, it was?
Made it pop up right here.
See? There you go. I be telling people we can't just have one spot.
Yeah.
We gotta have multiple parks. You feel me? So we won't be just all in one. We can have joy and clown, do whatever we fucking want. Look at him, you know, he ready. Look at him, he ready. He's juiced up. I'm juiced up too. Man, we gonna see what we gonna do. Yeah, ain't you? We gonna see what we gonna do. We're gonna do a F350. Like I said, I ain't gonna tell them what's going on with my truck right now, but I'm gonna run what I'm gonna run. Yes, sir. All right, they up here. They want to run me, man. I don't turn no phase down in anything. I already knew that wouldn't run. That's why, like, let me come up here, fuck it. Let me go ahead and get some footage, you know, because that's what I do. They've been calling me out for longest, but like I'm saying, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bust her down, Tatiana. I'm gonna go ahead and get her done, man. I'm gonna bring her out this weekend. I'm gonna go ahead and bust her down. Let's go. Let's go ahead to go to Mexico. Let's go. All right. What up? I'm back. Hey, man, we go ahead. We go to Mexico right now. We're gonna go ahead and drive my truck to Mexico. You wanna race me? And it's Silverado. We're gonna do some dig and see what my truck do. Like I said, I'm not gonna tell them what's wrong with my car. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna make no excuses. I'm just gonna run it, like see if I win or not. That's all. Because I have a leak on my exhaust. It's not gonna build a boost how I want to build a boost, but it's gonna do what it do though. I guarantee that. Follow you? Okay. Go ahead and follow. Let's go. Let's see where we at. Let's see how my screen is. How we looking? Alright. On my way to Mexico right now. Have a little fun, have a little joy, you feel me? Ain't enough to do. Right here, hold on. Can do it from the dig right now. Let me know. His ass up though. Hey, I didn't build boost or nothing. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hey, I wasn't able to build boost. Okay, not a problem. Let's go, bro. Having fun. He got a little cam in his. That's it. That's why he want to race me. He got a little baby cam. You feel me? I'm not sure we go to Mexico real quick. But this truck's pretty fast, man. I be telling people, don't sleep on my F350. Like, I be having fun in it, enjoy it. It's just a tow hauler. You feel me? And, yeah, I hit his ass up, though. He never had no chance. I couldn't even build boost because, like I said, I have a leak coming from my, man, I can't remember where it's coming from, but it's coming from there. I'm supposed to get it fixed. It still build boost, but not how it's supposed to. It's supposed to be gone. Like I would be jet. But yeah, man. We go back to Mexico. Man, these truckers. Let me build some boost. I can't build boost. You ain't never see me build boost. Alright. Hold on.
Ready? Set, go!
Aim his ass up. Ate him up again. But it's all good. See how you feel about it. Hold on. How you feel about it, brother? Let me see you next. sound good. I like it. Hey, one thing y'all have, listen. Just because you put a cam in your car does not mean you're fast. Just have to tell you that right now. I mean, I had to just let people know, because your cam is not the, you know what I mean, what makes power is your head. So I'm just had to let y'all know, man, your cam only gonna make like 30-40 horses. You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta find out what cam makes the horsepower. You gotta find that out. Everybody wanna follow everybody. I don't want the stage 2 Texas speed cam. I want to hear the lope. I want to hear that motherfucking lope. I'm like, nigga. So you just wanna gonna spend that money to have a loping sound. You feel me? Just to have a loping sound and not make no horsepower, but yet you would want to car somebody out like right now. You feel me? But yet you don't have the power. You feel me? Like, you gotta understand, you gotta have the power with that cam. So put the heads with that shit. You feel me? And we be in the game, bro. But they over here throwing fireworks. Look. Fireworks. 4th of July is next. It's coming up weekend. Look, I got some at the house. Haven't popped yet. Here, like I said, man. Just because you put a cam on your shit, you know what I mean? That's your shit fast. You got the right tune, the right everything, you got the right combination. I'm sorry I smoked you. I should have been on the other side.
The first one was, I guess you didn't boost up.
I didn't boost up at all. That's when the kick in, and that's when I start filming. Yeah, it's pretty fast. I just have a governor on that bitch, like, so I won't blow it up. I don't want to go no more than 98. But it's tuned though. Hey, but it's tuned. Got that tuner on that bitch.
Yeah, I got it too right here.
And keep pulling too.
Sheesh.
My shit was leaking. Now I can tell you, so I have a somewhat a leak somewhere, my exhaust leak, but that shit build up a little bit, boost. That shit pretty fast. That shit makes 700 horses.
Huh? When he didn't boost me, but he comes at the end. But when he builds it, it's over with.
Man, let me drift that bitch. Let me drift. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yes, sir. Who's next, man? We on YouTube, man. What's up? Hey, I need to subscribe to my channel, man. We got 2,000 subscribers already. Let's go. Ooh, get it. Yes, sir. We out here, man. We out here getting it in, man. This weekend is 4th of July. Oh, shit. Hey, that motherfucker went. Hey, y'all better go that way. That motherfucker gonna black your eye. No, I'm sorry. Look, he got the tires. He ain't playing. He ain't playing, man. What's up? Y'all trying to run somebody, though? We can set races up. I want to make some money, man. Huh? Oh, I'm trying to make some money, bro. Like, for real. Huh? That's pretty fast, right? Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I could probably call somebody to make some, you know what I mean, fishing. Shit, for real, for real. Yeah, we out here, man. Shit. Ooh, you see what he got. Y'all see what he got, man. We out here, man. Look. He said.
I think that's just a fountain, way.
Oh, shit.
No.
He threw it. He threw that motherfucker. He threw that motherfucker. This shit gonna launch. Oh, shit. Hey, man, I need to go live on Instagram. I mean, live on Facebook, YouTube.
Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! Shit, man. Man, that was
He said I didn't do it. I be seeing. Man. I wonder who's gonna trust me with their truck to let me drift. What's up? Anybody? Anybody? No? I just can't do it in that truck. I got them tires like $1,500. Uh-oh, shit. Hey, this nigga crazy. Hey, he said you just roll him. Hey, it's not a fucking, goddamn me, a bowling frenzy here.
You down to race him? He beat me.
We're here with the truck crowd, man, getting ready for the fourth, man. Getting ready for the fourth, man. Pull up, race somebody, kill me. F350 for the win. Look, truck. It's gonna bow. This motherfucker's sexy though. Got the tires. You just need to change his grill though. I like it though. Here we got this motherfucker. Got the billets on there. Okay. Side pipe. Oh yeah. Got his donut tires on. They up here. They call me up here. They always hit me up. Come fuck with me, Bolo. Come, you know what I mean? Come slide up here, man. So I came up here. Normally I was gonna bring the Elco, but like I said, I'm trying to sell that motherfucker. I really don't want to drive it as much. But I'm just like, fuck it. I might as well just go ahead and make some money off of it. I mean, it's pretty fast. I just gotta do what I need to do. Stop fucking bullshit, really, and just make a decision on what I want to do. But other than that, and having pizza. What you got a bumper for? What are you about to do with the bumper? Is that a trophy? Hey, that's what we need to do. I think I need to set up a donut contest so y'all can win some money, man. You know what I'm saying? I think I need to do that, man. And give a trophy out and 2 free tires and shit like that.
You know that dude, very good donut.
He said really good no donut. Hey, that motherfucker gonna explode. Hey, dangerous. They K dangerous around this bitch.
You want to shoot me?
Get it right now.
Yeah, like I said, they got the tires on, man. Y'all see him in the street, he active. On the gas, you feel me? On the gas racing. I don't know, man. And they got the fireworks, niggas. I'm not playing out here. Oh my God! Hey, I think I got that shit too. That motherfucker. Hey, he about to kill everybody. Thank God I was over there too. How dangerous.
Made my heart move on. I jumped when it was already in the wall.
Hey, dangerous around this bit. I'm trying to see tomorrow, fellas. I don't know about y'all. Alright, we need to go to LA. We need to go to, not LA, we need to go to fucking Tijuana to get the real shit. We need to go to Tijuana to get that real shit, man. That shit.
We finna fight each other. Hey, you got it too?
Hey, go in the middle of the park. Yeah, hey, don't go inside the truck or anything. Like,
Oh shit.
I don't even got a fucking.
Oh, he rolled it. It's over with.
I don't got lighters. Hey, Paul, you check out my lighter?
A lot of fireworks have been popping. All the fireworks have been popping. Boom, boom. Yeah, I'm popping fireworks. These niggas is. Hey, man. I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh, they finna play fireworks. Oh, watch out. They shooting each other. They shoot each other. They shoot each other. Look, they shoot. Nigga wars. Nigga wars. They stupid.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hey, y'all. Hey, yeah. Oh, he reloaded. He reloaded. Oh, he shot him. He shot him in the nuts. He shot him in the nuts. Oh shit, watch out, watch out. Hey, this nigga's crazy. Oh, he over here bouncing shit off. He's stupid. He said bing bing. He got his. Oh shit! Watch out! Hey, this nigga's dangerous. Went from racing to goddamn me fireworks war.
You better run!
Hey, it's a fireworks war.
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh shit! I didn't even explode.
Good. Wow.